To install the XT60 battery connector, I'm going to use this bracket. Comes with 2.5 mm screws, so they're going to come here on the inside, right? This position, but in the inside. So it's going to hold this one, so you don't need to be afraid of losing the lead inside the fuselage. So you can access it from the cockpit directly. You can see the where is the connector now. So I just need to take out the pilot and connect the battery here. It's very firm. Can connect or pull the battery. Alright, moving to the landing gear. These doors are secured by a very unsafe system, that is this flexible nylon, maybe cut from some bottle, right? That this one clips here, but all the glue and everything already fell, especially from this one. You see, I had to remove this one because the clip failed. So I designed this clip. You can see here, this clip will go to the door. It's going to be glued in the door, and this one has some mobility, allowing the difference in angle from here to here. Right, there's some space here, so it will create some changes, and this one is going to absorb the changes. Right, this one is also clip on. Right. So what I'm doing now is preparing this one to hinge it properly. This is the external cover, right? So I'm going to add some hinges here. Actually, the original plane it has a piece of rubberized mat here that is flexible, but well, there's not much space here, and I don't have the exact thickness of rubber to replace this one, so I'm going to use normal hinges, a couple of them. So we're going to put here and here on the inside, and after that I will measure it and connect to the clip. Okay, this is the result after gluing the hinges here. Right, you need to put some oil on the pins to avoid the epoxy to glue the movement. So now we have a very nice, very well aligned cover, right? And it's going to be glued to the clip. Guys, continuing with the FOU, we are in the last steps. This is the cover of the battery cover. I didn't like the fragility. This is very fragile, and also the fact that you need to undo 4 screws to remove the battery. So what I did, I designed this one, right? It can be with magnets or it can be with screws, but the important thing, it has this system here, right, that allows the cover to be flipped, open like a boot, right, like this. You see? And okay, we are going to paint with matching paint and install it. Alright, okay, I had to make a small notch there to accommodate this part. So we're going to install this way, right? It's going to be hot glued here to the wall, to the firewall, so later you can open it. Alright, already installed with hot glue. I use hot glue because it's a fast setting and then easy to correct if you have issues, right? And it's very easy to install. Okay, this is how it goes. You just have access hatch like this one. Put the battery here. You can access also the kill switch here, right? And I just routed the fuel tank overflow to the outside, right? Right. This is for, I think, is practically the last step on this build. Now I will proceed to reinstall the cowling. Everything has been already set. This is the new battery tray, right? The battery now enters through the cockpit, so this one is going to be closed. I don't need to remove the wing to change the battery. So the new battery 2700 is going to be here, 3S. We have the BEC, right, for the battery. We have the receiver, and under this one, underneath the one, you have the Robart retract controller. All the servos okay, except the one from the flaps. That was a high-tech servo, high torque, titanium gear, but unfortunately, when I connected it, smoked. I put a 25 kilo there to replace it. It's a, let's say, Chinese 25 kilo retract, servo, but it works perfectly, better than the high-tech. Thank you.